Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we analyze the different movements of interesting cryptocurrencies, and this time we're looking at Dogecoin, everyone's favorite meme coin. Now something tells me that this is gonna be a very quick analysis, so let's dive right in, shall we? As usual, we'll take a look at the longer time frames to see if there's any interesting movements. Let's see. As you can see here, quite clearly there's a downtrend together with a kind of a consolidating pattern here. So can you see that? Yeah, it's start reaching the intersection point. So that's a couple of days, right? This is on a daily chart. So let's see if there's anything interesting for quick traders, short-term traders. All right. So let's jump straight into the 1 hour chart. Okay, I can see something interesting right here. Okay, so as you can see, this zone, right? There seems to be a pattern of consolidation here, as well as here. So this seems to be the point where consolidation happens, or at least the nearest point where consolidation happens. So what this means is, in terms of the likelihood, right, of movement, as you can see, it's kind of ranging here right now. So it's quite likely that it'll be how do you call it? Ranging, bouncing around within this range, which is, I guess, you can see it's about 15% up and down range. It's not too shabby. I guess if you want to enter a trade as a short-term trader, it's not so bad. Here's how I'll probably set it up, like as such. Okay, so head in. In fact, this is perfect. A 9% upside, 2% stop loss, 3.6 risk reward ratio. Yeah, I would enter this. I would take this. It's a very straightforward. I think the timing is pretty good actually. Let's see. Yeah. I can see a new steeper channel inside here. Look at this. Yeah. So maybe, at least in the short run, the upside wouldn't be so high. Won't be as much. Maybe 3%, 3.5% or so. But if you're willing to wait a bit further, aim for this nearest high. So 10% or roundabout. Yeah. So you can see as well that there is kind of consolidation here, right? A small consolidation window, and if you stretch it out like this, you can clearly see there's an intersection point. So it's quite likely, at least in the next couple hours, we're looking at this, right? And with certainly once it reaches the trend line, we'll probably break out to this point, about 8%. So we're looking at about we're looking at about, what time is this? 12, 13. No, we're looking at about 1 day, 1.5 days, possibly 2 days of further ranging before it starts to break out for the 14%. Right. So yeah, short-term trade. Long-term trade, same thing, I guess. I guess the only thing that would be worth looking into is the short-term trade. Because long-term, in the long run, when it reaches this intersection point, this decision-making point, on the 18th of June, perhaps even 17th or even 16th, right? Things start to get a bit hairy in a sense. We don't really know if it will break out upwards or downwards, like so. We still don't know. So definitely cash out before the, let's say, I think it'd be safe to cash out on the 16th. Yeah, or even earlier, as early as possible. Let's see if we can glean anything else here. Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, crap. Sorry about that. I meant to put this one. So yeah, you can see right on the line of the Fibonacci retracement chart, it's showing sign. It's let's see. It hasn't broken through yet. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see what happens here, because the last time it broke through, as you can see, it closed high up. It rejected it. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here. So it's quite likely, if I mean it's currently looking like this, right? If it breaks through the trend line, we can expect the upside to be as high as 25-26%. Oh, let me redraw this. 25-26% over the next 6 days. So yeah, I guess if you want to treat yourself as a long-term trader, and by long-term I mean like a 1 week trader, this might be an interesting option, but do beware, right? There is nothing stopping it from a downslide. Yep. So I would not do it if I were you, I guess. But still, hey, to each his own. Do your own research, eh? Let's check out the forward time frame to see if we've missed anything out. Yeah. So, yeah, there's nothing conclusive, I would imagine. Well, at least at this point of time. Let me try a different chart. Back to the hourly. Let's clear the drawings. Yeah, nothing conclusive here. Okay, so yeah, this has been pretty easy actually, pretty straightforward analysis of DOGECOIN. I hope you found it useful. If you did, do consider liking and subscribing. And also I'd just like to let you guys know I'm actually planning on creating and launching a cryptocurrency course on how to analyze cryptocurrency, how to read charts like I do, and how to better protect yourself against risk. So if you are interested in something like this, do drop me a comment, as I'll definitely be looking to give out free courses for, well, my first couple of students. So do drop a comment with indicating your interest in the comments below, and I'll definitely take a look at it. So if you have any further questions, do feel free to drop me a text, drop me a message. And in the meantime, do take care, and I'll see you at the next video.